Hello students, this is your chapter 2, class 5th science, food, health and diseases. Firstly, I am telling you about food. The food you eat each day makes up your diet. Food items have certain nutrients. What is the meaning of nutrients? Food contains substances, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These are the essential nutrients in our food. Now, firstly we are talking about carbohydrates. The sources of carbohydrates are rice, wheat, maize, potatoes, pumpkins and bananas. Carbohydrates provide energy to our body. Now we are talking about fats. Milk, butter, ghee, oil, cream, nuts, eggs, meat and fish are rich in fats. You should eat moderate amount of fats because the body needs small amounts of fats to remain healthy. If in excess amount we are taking fat, so it will make us obese. Obese means mota. Now we are talking about proteins. We get proteins by eating pulses, milk, cheese, nuts, wheat, fish, eggs and meat. Protein helps us to grow and protein repairs injured body parts. If we have any damage in our body, then protein repairs the damaged body parts. Now we are talking about vitamins and minerals. Vitamins help the body to remain healthy and minerals help to fight diseases. We get vitamin and minerals by eating fresh fruits and leafy green vegetables. Vitamin A helps to form and maintain healthy bones, teeth and skin. It is also needed for the proper functioning of eyes. Vitamin C we get by eating citrus fruits, means khatte fruits. It is required for the formation of blood cells and healing of wounds, means घाव को भरने में ये हेल्प करता है. Citrus fruits means tomatoes, lemon, amla, malta, orange, etc. It also keeps the gums healthy. Gums means masude. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is needed for the proper growth of bones. This vitamin is made by the body with the help of sunlight. Yes, the natural source of vitamin D is sunlight. Some amount of sunlight every day is good for the body. Now, minerals. We need calcium and iron. Calcium is required in the building of strong bones, teeth and muscles. It is a body building material. Milk, cheese and buttermilk are rich in calcium. What is the meaning of buttermilk? When we add some water in curd and grind it, so it will make buttermilk. Fish, beans, wheat and nuts also have calcium. Now we are talking about iron. Iron is needed by the body to make blood. Food items such as fish, liver, apples and beans, groundnuts, sprouts, eggs and green leafy vegetables such as spinach have iron. So, you should eat green leafy vegetables. Now, next is fiber. We get fiber by eating fruits and vegetables. The fiber it cleans the stomach, the small intestine and large intestine. Now next is water. Water helps in blood flowing, in digesting food, and helps the kidneys clean blood and controls the body temperature. Now next is balanced diet. What is the meaning of balanced diet? The diet that contains proper amount of nutrients is called balanced diet. Now next is malnutrition, kuposhan. A person whose diet does not provide the required nutrients over a long period of time is not healthy. Such a person suffers from malnutrition. Malnutrition can be cured by eating a balanced diet. Next topic is diseases. What is the meaning of disease? Disease is a condition in which certain functions of the body get disturbed. It makes the person feel unwell. And disease causing microorganisms are called germs or pathogens. Now we are talking about the types of diseases. Communicable diseases, non-communicable diseases. Firstly, I am telling you about the communicable diseases. Cholera. First is cholera. Cholera is spread by contaminated food or water. The symptoms are frequent vomiting, watery stools. Listen, the prevention of communicable diseases are nearby same. Like preventions, avoid food and water from unclean sources. Next is typhoid. Spread by contaminated food or water. Symptoms are high fever, body ache, headache and stomach ache. Preventions, avoid food and water from unclean sources. Same preventions. Malaria. Malaria caused by, spread by bite of female Anopheles mosquito. Symptoms are high fever, body ache, chills. Prevention, do not let water collect in your surroundings for mosquitoes to breed, because if the unclean water is collecting nearby your house, so this is the place for breeding of mosquitoes. Next is tuberculosis caused by bacteria. Contaminated air से होता है ये. Symptoms, dry cough, mild fever, feeling very weak. Prevention, eat proper food, avoid contact with an infected person. How do communicable diseases spread? Spread by unclean food, uncovered water and by uncovered fruits. Okay. Next is through air. When you are coughing or sneezing and you are not covering your face, then the germs of your inside air is going outside, and when the healthy person is coming in contact with you, then the germs enter the person's body and can make the person sick. Next is through insects. Means dengue can cause death if the person does not get proper treatment in time. And Anopheles mosquitoes carry germs that cause malaria. Aedes mosquitoes spread dengue. Mosquitoes also spread a dangerous disease called chikungunya. Now we are talking about non-communicable diseases. The diseases which do not spread from one person to another person are called non-communicable diseases. These diseases can spread by contact with unhealthy person, and these diseases cannot spread from one person to another person. Diabetes, cancer and heart diseases are the examples of non-communicable diseases. Eating foods rich in fats can cause heart diseases. Excess amount of sugar in the daily diet can lead to diabetes. Smoking can cause lung cancer. Now, deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases are caused when the body does not get sufficient amount of the nutrients. These diseases are non-communicable. First is scurvy, lack of vitamin C, नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस, lack of vitamin A. Lack means कमी होना. Rickets, lack of vitamin D. And anemia, lack of iron in blood. Next is goiter disease, lack of iodine. So we should eat all the types of food and all the different types of food we should eat, because by eating different kind of food we get different nutrients. Next is vaccination. What is the meaning of vaccination? Vaccines are in the form of oral drops or injections. Vaccines contain weak or dead germs of a certain disease. When a person is vaccinated, the germs enter the body and prepare the body to fight against these germs. Every vaccine protects a person from certain disease and prevents the occurrence of the disease. Vaccines are available for diseases such as polio, measles, chickenpox, hepatitis, tuberculosis and tetanus. Students, vaccines are given as injections or oral drops, and now a vaccine prepares the body to fight germs. Then the body is prepared to fight any further infection of the disease. This chapter was about food, health and diseases. For remain healthy, you should eat all kinds of food and different types of food. Okay? Take care, students.